Hi friends, welcome. We have previously seen NotebookLM, various features, how to generate the mind maps, how to generate the audio overview, and many other things we have seen this. Now we'll see some recent developments. Now we can manage the duration of the audio overview, what is being generated, the broadcast, what is being generated. So that we can control, and also the recent release of the mobile version. So you can in your phone you can carry all your files and listen to the audio overview. So these features we'll see. Plus, we'll also see how a shared file of important events, say Google I/O 2025, all those Notebook LM files are created and already shared, so you can directly use it as an audio overview or a mind map. We'll see all about that. Recently, Google has concluded its annual event where it explain or showcase the demos, new products, whatever is going to come off in this year and all that. They explain that. So let us paste one URL. This is there available in the description. You can directly use it. And this particular Google event, whatever was published, now a Notebook LM version is also generated and it is shared by the Notebook LM team. So let's visit that and we will see that. So this URL, copy it from the description and here we are. Directly we need not have to add the sources because it is already shared with us. Now here it is, we can just try to load the conversation. So meanwhile we'll let us see the whatever the mind map in that. So Google I/O all announcements and overview. So let's go mind map. Yeah, here it is. So this is the mind map. You can see all the breakup of different sessions or different topics what they have been discussed. That is already displayed. I can zoom in or zoom out by scrolling my mouse, or here the buttons are minus plus buttons are there. Now here also I just want to see what are the vision for universal AI assistant. What is the thing? This I can further expand it. I am expanding it. Yeah, so it is all the whatever the available now, or they have whatever is being explained in the conference, that is what is being explained here. Now you can see I can collapse it also. Then the different world adopting AI, different technology. What there is something new coming up in the search world also. We may not have all the blue ticks or the 10 listings there. Instead of that, we can use the search mode where you can chat with the search engine. It is not going to give us the links to the websites for a particular topic what you are searching. We can just interact, ask multiple questions also. Further we can deep dive into that and see the experience. This is what in the Google I/O it is explained. Now let's come back here. It is our audio overview is ready. It is 36.54. This is the minute. This is the 36 minutes nearly. Let's see what this audio overview says.
It's genuinely astonishing how rapidly the AI landscape is evolving. Not long ago, it felt like something confined to academic papers and, far-off labs. But now, it's being woven into the fabric of our digital lives at an incredible.
Okay, you can continue further by loading it. Now here I just want to make you one point that here you see usually when we use our cases, here you see we get a delete option. But here I don't get, because this is not my own notebook LM, or I have not created this, someone has shared with it. So I don't have a delete option or change the language or anything. Those features are not there. I cannot change the language here also, because who has shared it has not given me the access to do that. So there are two types of while sharing this thing, and these changes also are going for different language, and all these are available in the pro version also. So this is how you can view a shared documents, or we can even share our documents. The duration of the podcast or the audio overview what is generated is now in our control. So the duration we can set it to short, medium, which is by default, at the longer duration. Earlier, even I was giving in the customization window that saying it that restrict to 10 minutes or 15 minutes. It was not following that and it was taking its own time. Let's see that. We are in a new notebook here. We have already added a discover one topic to this. One URL is added and our audio overview will customize now. Here, while customizing this audio overview, let's click the customize button. instead of generate button directly. Here I got three options here: shorter, default, and longer. It is the length or the duration of the podcast, what it is. Shorter version means around 5 minutes duration, default is 10 minutes, and longer is 20 minutes. So more or less it is around that. So that is what this feature is just recently added. Then below that I can customize it, asking the host to focus on a particular area. At the end, tell the subscribers to all those details you can give. Based on our requirement, we can give instructions, and this will follow this. NotebookLM mobile app is available now. It's for both Android and iOS. It is available. You can download and run it. Some features are missing there, like Discover and all. Let's see. After installing, I started using it immediately. So you can see all my NotebookLM files were available. So I can generate a new one if it is not there, or I can even come back and play the one which are already available. So this synced with my desktop also. So it was all these files, whatever I want to listen, all were available. Even I can check the shared ones, what I shared with me. Then I can sort it based on the title, and I can see the downloaded ones also. So this I hope this will be useful, and some more new features are going to come. That's all, friends. Hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and similarly we'll be continuing to update you about the various other features of NotebookLM and the other AI tools also we are using. So that also we are frequently updating. And to know all about this, my request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon, so you'll be notified as and when we are adding tutorials, and we are frequently adding that also. And if you have any doubt, ideas, suggestion, questions, use the comment section below to post it. Please share this with your friends, and thank you for watching.